good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another epic video. So I'm hyped. Hey, I've been hyped since yesterday, man. John Jones got oil pressure again. I'm back on the scene, man. I miss it, boy. When your car been gone since February, you'll feel how I feel, boy. Good God Almighty. I'm ready, man. I got my mojo back now. I got my mode back on. I told folk I'm about to finish this year with a bang. Thought I was playing. About to finish this year with a bang. They seen me down, boy. Hey, like my boy Blow, you say, boy, yeah, you try to kick a man when he down, man. But hey, watch how I'm about to finish this year. Watch how I'm about to finish this year. These folk think I'm playing, man. When you work hard, man, and you got that will to win attitude, you can't fold. That's why I always say never fold. That's why on that brown coat gang shirt, it say never fold. Ain't no folding. I don't care. Y'all see me on camera frustrated. Y'all see it. We ain't folding. I cashed out yesterday. Seen the little problem we got to do the fans and all that. I bought everything I need yesterday. It's coming in tomorrow. So tomorrow we got a big shipment of parts. Got $1,000 worth of parts coming in tomorrow. Shout out to my guy John at HURON Speed. He got me the power steering relocation lines coming tomorrow. I got a new Griffin radiator, bigger, even bigger. Car never had cooling issues, but why not go bigger? We're gonna make it run cool. I got a big Griffin radiator. We're gonna stand it up. I'm not gonna bring the car home today cause I'm like, man, I went ahead and cashed out. I got everything. So Jesse gonna take care of that. We got the Griffin radiator. We got the Riley electric fan. I told you I run the Riley everything now. Ever since I put them on Dolo, the Riley everything. The Riley electric fans, man, we got hey, I got everything. I'm about to order some new shoes for John Jones. It been gone already, man. It been gone, so he deserved the gifts. So I'm about to order some new shoes. I'm about to mount up the Mario shoes, the real Mario shoes on John Jones. It going down. So I'm finishing this year with a bang. Private test session coming this year. And this guy right here, engine to be on the way. Yeah, it's on. It's on. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one yet. For temporarily, cause I hate seeing my car sitting. I really do. But anyway, I'm gonna go over to Lawless, man. Try to get some burnout smoke. Today is actually wifey's birthday. Y'all saw the video yesterday, but y'all was looking at it on her birthday. Cause y'all know the videos be shot a day before. But today is wifey's birthday, cause I'm shooting this on the 21st. Her birthday October 21st. But I'm gonna get this vlog in for y'all right quick. And then we having another party. So you already know, me and the family. So yep. That's what we got going on. Finna head over to Lawless. And then we're gonna check back in. Alright, y'all see we just got finished doing a little something. 3 pounds of boost. 3 pounds of boost. Car feel pretty good. It wanted to keep going, but I just stopped. There it go up there. I just let it get on the boost and then I quit. Oh yeah, man, John Jones back. Had to get y'all the burnout. I'm gonna go ahead and drop these clamps off. Had to get these clamps. And I think I left them at the parts store. I sure did. Golly. That crazy, I left the clamps at the parts store. Got to go back and get them. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we made it back, y'all. Had to go to the parts store, pick up a few things. This just leftover stuff I got, man. I'm getting more and more parts. I think I'm just gonna buy another storage for right now, man. Just put stuff in storage or something called. It's too much stuff. It's too much stuff, man, in the garage, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, cause I'm getting more and more stuff, like this leftover stuff. But I had to get these stainless steel clamps to hold the wrap on. To hold that wrap on, cause I ain't have none, so I had to get some of these. That's just a grommet and a IAT sensor, intake air temperature sensor. Cause I left mine in my old kit, in the old intake tube, I think. So it was plugged off. If you heard the burnout, you probably heard it pop. That's what it was, cause it's an opening right there. So I had to get that sensor, but no need to take it back by there today because I'm waiting on all the rest of the parts coming. I thought the radiator was coming today, but they just changed the date. So the radiator coming tomorrow too. So literally every part that I ordered coming tomorrow except my wheels. My wheels, they had to make those, so they're gonna come about the middle of the month, middle of November. So I'm like, man, long as they get here before the end of November, cause I'm trying to go rent the track, do my private test session and all that, and go ahead and send it and the whole nine, all that. But I figure I could have took the car home. So it was like I said, I told you I had a car this week and I could take it home, but why? I want to stand the radiator up and all that. So I'm gonna plan on picking it up Monday, cause the stuff gonna come tomorrow. UPS runs late here for some reason. UPS be coming late. And so, boy, if they came in the daytime, they could go ahead and knock it out, cause it's a quick job for Jess and them. But I'm probably gonna get them in the evening, which means I'm gonna get them over there to them late, about when they about to shut down. So that means they probably ain't gonna do it till Friday. So that's why I said I just plan on Monday. I picked the car up Monday. No sweat. I'm just happy it's done. I was just happy to do a burnout in that car again, man. It felt so good. That car turned up. It's just 3 pounds of boost. It has a 3-pound spring in it, cause when you're using CO2, y'all know I got the Motion RACEWORKS CO2 kit. Shout out to Motion RACEWORKS or whatever, man. They look out. That's another company I rock with real heavy. So if you're into that LS stuff, go shop with Motion RACEWORKS, cause they the truth. Y'all know we like to go fast over here. But I got since I'm on CO2 now, you can't put a spring bigger than a 5-pound spring. It'll bust your wastegate, your diaphragm and stuff. So you got to use a 3 or 5-pound spring. I put a 3-pound in there. So I'm a dyno the car on without the CO2 on the 3-pound spring, just to see how much power it makes. It's definitely probably over 400 horses to the wheels still, even though it's only 3 pounds of boost. I'm pretty sure it's making over 400 horses still. No doubt in my mind, it's still over 4, that's good power even riding around on. So most of the time be riding around on just 3 pounds. Ain't no need to have the CO2 on, just riding around. Unless I'm taking somebody on the ride racks and I'm gonna turn it on, then make some boost and all of that, and then we're gonna see what it do. But yeah, we back, man. We back. John Jones is back. I done spent a good little bag on him. So we about to get right, man. About gonna go time. Top of the year, I go ahead and do my next batch of upgrades and go ahead and switch it over to E85, and that's gonna be it for that car. I'll be done. Then I'm gonna do what I said I'm gonna do. Drive to the track. I'm gonna run a 590 some 580 and drive back. Real street car with AC, all accessories. I still got AC on my car. So yeah. And man, I saw a comment yesterday, man. Somebody was like, Jay, man, you supposed to be one of the top rated people, man. I do feel like that too, man. That's a real comment, man. That was a fire comment. I see it all the time, but the way I felt for the longest, cause I've been doing YouTube 12 years. I see how the internet rolls as far as YouTube. I'm gonna say the real gets censored. I'm real, man. I'm real. That's straight up 100. I speak my mind. I say what it is. I give thanks to God when on here and stuff, cause man, I wouldn't be well met without him. But that junk gets censored, man. The real gets censored. And I don't go for no BS too. People don't like that either, man. People come on the internet, think they can say anything to you, and then they think when you get bigger and you start getting XYZ amount of views or follows and stuff, they like, man, they ain't gonna pay attention. And some people just want attention, but man, sometimes you have to check them suckers, man. That's what they is, some suckers. Like my cousin will say, it calls somebody a sucker quick. That's what they is. So they know I don't lay down, man. I ain't laying down, I ain't folding and all that. And the real get censored. This period. So we just roll though, man, slow and steady. I appreciate everybody that watch every day, everybody that come through, drop positive comments. I appreciate everybody I meet, cause I got one of the most solid foundations on YouTube. For real, man. Like everybody I meet solid. Everybody I meet in person solid, man. It's somebody I feel like I can really hang around. Every one of y'all that watch that I done met in person, I feel like it's somebody I can hang around. And I know people feel the same as far as me, cause if you can watch me every day, you see my personality. I'm the same way in person as I am on camera. It ain't no fake or facade. Like I'm the same way in person as I am on camera. And anybody that meet me, they'll tell you like I'm the same. Like you ain't gonna meet a different person. Like some people, they on YouTube, man, you know, and they'll tell you too, man, they're a different personality on YouTube. But when you meet them in person, like, man, you're a whole lot calmer, or you're a whole lot more hype, or you know, vice versa. But like I say, I'm the same way 24/7 on camera, same way. But that's it, man. It wasn't gonna be no long video, cause it ain't nothing to do. They pretty much done. But I had to get that burnout for y'all. It wasn't the biggest burnout, but like I said, we missing the sensor, and ain't no fans on the car, so of course I went finna turn it up. We literally just rolled it out the shop. And the trans brake, it ain't got no reverse right now, cause I think the trans brake on the wrong prong, cause I had to put that pass-through on there, cause I'm about to have a bump box feature now, so you know I'll be able to have the bump box working now. But that's simple. But yeah, tomorrow y'all come back, cause I got a lot of parts coming for real, man. I got 2 fans, radiator, and I'll show y'all what you need. If you got an F body and you want to stand the radiator up, I'm gonna show you what you need. I show you the part numbers, and you can get this exact same stuff, and you can stand your radiator up, cause I needed to know, man. I need to know. So yep, that's that. I'm contemplating I'm contemplating buying another crate engine for big meats, cause I can't stand to see my car stand still. I mean, I look at stuff, yeah, money being spent, but I can write it off. So I really am contemplating buying another crate engine for big meats for the time being until I get my big motor. And then I just, you know, put the engine in there and all of that, and then just start back driving. So I've been thinking about doing it. Cause I don't want none of my cars stand still. I want everything in our driveway running and operating. And the Monte Carlo, people ask about wife and Monte Carlo. I'm just waiting on I'm waiting on man. I can't. If he get too tied up again, cause I think it's right at 2 weeks now. But if he get too tied up, I'm just gonna take it over there to Jesse, let him do it right quick, and then we'll get it back. Cause so it gonna have to go over there to Jesse anyway to put the exhaust system on. So either way, it's gonna have to go over there. So yep, that's the update with the Monte Carlo and all of that. I'm gonna update y'all on, I don't know. Dolo gonna be a sneak attack. When y'all see Dolo, it's gonna have oil pressure. It's just gonna, when I pop up with a video of Dolo, it's just gonna be firing up. Trust me. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate everybody tuning in every day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.